Hi everyone, Nancy with our treasure home, and welcome back to the channel. And Anastasia's busy, so it's just me right now. But this one is some more seeds, and I joined some collabs this year and everything. And this one is survival collaboration. It's with the Vineyard Chicks and Bushcraft, and I will link their. I'll put their channel links down below. But I was like, oh, Vineyard Chicks Homestead. I was so excited. I was like, oh, am I too late? Am I too late? So I emailed them and they sent me some seeds. So I haven't opened it up. Let's see what they sent. Oh, looks like a lot. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. Ooh, got some that's falling out. No, one of 8 seeds. Alright. It says Survival Seeds Collaboration 2024. And we have the yall onion, Italian pepperoni. I can't say that word. Marinara tomato, Hawthorne butternut squash, Detroit supreme beet, kidney bean, and kidney bean. So awesome. So this is with Vineyard Chicks Homestead, Bushcraft Family, and Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa. So, and she's done finished her schoolwork. So the kidney beans, we got kidney beans, and then some other seeds. So they came in these packets right here, and what's on the kidney beans got opened up. So that's all right. So that was from it running through the machine. So, oh, this is so exciting. Oh, yes, indeed. We're going to be planting this year. I've got extra stuff down in the basement I can plant in. Yay. So, there we go. Go over there to their channels. Check them out. See if you can want to still join. And let's grow some things. Thank you all for watching. The links are here and here. And have a wonderful day. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.